back again. Just doing a video down by the Kennet and Avon Canal. It's pretty much at the start or at the end. Just gonna have a look. See you in a minute. Hello, back again. I haven't done a video for a while. Well, I've put out the ones from holiday, like the Welsh Pool Light Railway. So I thought I'd come down here and do one on the canal again. I have met today while putting up my drone, lovely couple from London on holiday in Bath. I hope you have a nice visit to the Raymond Baths. Flipping lovely in there. And the Bath Abbey next door. Hope you went in there as well. Very nice. Yeah, I'm pretty much at the start of the Kennet or the end, depending on which way you're going. Behind me here is the start of the canal, and I think one of the locks here is one of the deepest in the country. We'll go back that way a bit later, so I'll show you. been raining the last couple of days. Torrential it's been. Lovely. First day out for a couple of days. Properly out. Apart from shopping and school runs and stuff like that. I'll show you in a minute where I put the drain up. It was up the top on Beecham Cliff. Sundial's not working today. It's a bit cloudy. Sun's trying to come out though. Might work later, the sundial. I'll turn you around now because we got pretty much a clear view of where I put the drain up on the cliff, which has got a nice view of Bath. I'll turn you around now. Well, I say a clear view. Let's cut the trees in the way. It's behind these two trees. That lock there, we can see where the bin bar is I think the deepest lock, or one of the deepest locks in the country. I think that's lock number 2 off of the river, and then this is number 2, and then the ones we saw earlier, earlier, the other side of that bridge, I think there's, is it 2 or 3 more? I think it's 2. And then there's a fair few miles before you get to the next lock. Anyway, we're going to have a look at that one now. I do believe this is the deepest lock. If you can hear me, I'm right by the where it's empty now. Do believe this is the deepest lock in the world. 4th, I think. And the river's literally a few hundred meters that way. We'll go down and have a look. There we goes. We are in, well, you can pause this if you like, but we are at the 2nd deepest lock in the country. And there's a map of if you want to pause that as well. There we go, we're We're a bit higher than boat level, but not much. Pretty deep. If you're a boater or on holiday, hiring a narrow boat, you can park, back up. I think there's a 24-hour visiting moorings, and then you're literally half a mile. Can you see me? Oh, there we go, so you can see me now. We're literally half a mile from the city centre of Bath, so that's walking, literally 2 minutes walk. This is the last lock before you get onto the river. Here's the entrance to the weir. Look, the riverside, because of all that rain we had. You can either, if you're staying on your boat, go across that footbridge there, or walk up the river and then into town. There's the start just there, or the end, depending on which way you're going. We also got a pontoon. That pontoon's normally a lot lower than that. Ah, here we go, look, just there. Look, here. That's a pair of sack trucks. That's how deep it is. So it'd be up to me, well, it'd be past my knees. Mind you, I'm only a little short ass, so that won't be hard. 5'7". It's level. I've never seen that level. Mind you, I don't often come right down here. Literally, the road's just there, but it's going fast. And it's, I reckon it's a good 5 foot higher than it should be. Anyway, there's the entrance to the canal. Main town is that way. The weir, Pulteney Bridge. That way goes to Bristol, Bristol Channel, Atlantic. was wrong. It's not 24 hours. You can stay here on your boat for 7 days. And then any days after that, it's £25 per day. I was fishing there before lockdown come along. Flipping had to go to hospital. Got a flipping hook stuck in my finger. Had to go to hospital and have it cut out. What a donut. Anyway, we're almost back at the car now. Hope those lovely people I met have a good holiday in Bath. I shall see you next week. I won't do an allotment video this next Tuesday. There's still not a lot going on, but it'll be next Friday, the next video. I shall see you next week, YouTube. Bye.